Man-portable line charge. A line charge mine removal system in a backpack. The backpack contains everything needed to deploy an explosive line charge. It consists of an explosive line charge, a rocket launch system for launching the line charge, and a dual detonator with a 30-meter dual shock tube for triggering the line charge. First, the rocket launch system is removed from the backpack, placed on the firm ground, and pointed in the direction of deployment. Provided nails may be used to secure it to the ground. The rocket is now removed from the backpack and attached to the launch system. Next, the dual detonator is removed from the backpack. With the detonator in hand, the operator moves to a safe distance, up to 30 meters. As the operator moves away from the backpack, the detonator will unwind the dual shock tubes, which is the connection between the detonator and the explosive line charge. Once at a safe distance, the operator arms the first detonator by removing the safety cap. When ready, the operator quickly pulls on the pull ring. Inside the detonator, a striker assembly, which is attached to the pull ring via a rod, will compress a spring. Once the end of the spring compression is reached, a mechanism will detach the striker assembly from the pull ring rod. Now that the striker assembly is no longer attached, the compressed spring will expand and push the striker assembly towards the primer at high speed. On impact, the primer is ignited. This in turn ignites the shock tube, which is attached to the launch system rocket near the backpack. The shock tube is a tube lined with explosive on its inner wall. Once ignited, a low-level explosion will propagate down the tube at 6,500 feet per second. Upon reaching the launch system, the rocket is ignited. The rocket is directly attached to the line charge explosive. As it flies from the launch system, it will unwind and pull the line charge out of the backpack. Once the rocket burns out, it falls to the ground along with the line charge, which is now straightened out into a line. When the operator sees that the line charge has properly been deployed, the safety cap from the second detonator is removed and the pull ring on that detonator is pulled. This causes the second shock tube to ignite. The second shock tube is attached to the line charge itself. Once the low-level explosion reaches the line charge in the backpack, it explodes immediately, triggering or uncovering any mine along the length of the line charge.